I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to replace the battery on this B-Class with a 10 and 13mm socket. By following these steps you can certainly do this yourself, so let's get going. Access the battery on the driver's footwell by unclipping this cover with a flat screwdriver and then start by removing the negative terminal. Then undo the positive and push it out of the way. Now we just have two bolts to loosen either side of this handle. You don't have to remove the bolts completely, just loosen them while pulling on the handle until it comes free. And we can now remove the old battery while pulling a hamstring. Tuck the positive cable away before inserting the new battery. You'll thank me later. And obviously make sure the positive is on the correct side. Then reinstall the retaining bracket loosely. We'll be installing a 70 amp hour EFB battery. And connect the positive terminal first, so we're basically connecting them in the reverse order. Instead of slamming the terminals into place with force, rather use a big flat screwdriver to extend the terminals while pushing it down. This prevents damage to the lead posts as well as potential internal damage to the battery. Now that the positive is in position and clear of touching any bodywork, we can tighten the retaining bracket. The negative cable can now be connected. If you like these videos, please show your support by subscribing. And if you have a protective cover for the positive, just slam it on. But we're not done just yet. Now that you've spent all this money on a new battery, you'll want to know how to make it last as long as possible. So go and watch this one quickly.